She's a purring like a kitten. She's a purring, my friends. Listen to that purr. She's a purring like a kitten. Now, I guess you can hear me, it's really windy. The push start works and everything. Push start works. The only tire's flat right here, and the inner tube's pushed inside. I gotta take a pry bar, pull that inner tube stem back out, valve stem, pump it up. Tires are in good shape. Clean her up, she'll be like new. She's a purring like a kitten. It's been sitting for a year, that's why I've been letting it run. Burn like a kitten. It cuts good too. $300. That's what I'm talking about. $300 is nice. Runs like new. Cuts good too, because I cut a little strip over here in the grass. See right here? She cuts good. Alright, my friends, it's super windy. Got me an old sniper for $300. You can't beat that with a stick. I'm gonna clean that up. That smut's coming out of that muffler, that's normal. I'm gonna clean that up. It wasn't like that, and I trunk it up. This thing's been sitting for a year and a half. Clean that up, and I'm gonna put some kind of shield right here, like a piece of stainless steel to keep it from messing my paint up. Clean this bad boy up, make her look like new. And it can't, the battery, I jump started it. The battery is over here, charging. It's an interstate battery. It's a 4-year-old battery, but it will hold a charge. 300 cranking amps. I've got it charging using my tractor supply. I'm using 4, see it says charging. I'm using the 4-amp charge, which is a medium charge. 2 amps takes like overnight, so I'm using 4-amp. All right, got a good steel for $300. You can't beat that with a stick. Now that's what I'm talking about on this windy day. Got all my tools out. Had to take the seat off to get the battery off, to get the battery out, to clean it. Got all my tools out. Somebody's got to do it. Might as well be me.